My name is Michael DeMonte. I work here at Cadrex Manufacturing Solutions in Agawam. I'm the Maintenance and Facilities Manager.
My name is Rick Godovan. I am the Director of Production here at Cadrex. Here at Cadrex, we have 21 facilities across the United States and Mexico, 1.5 million square feet of manufacturing space, and over 2,000 employees.
We were using a synthetic-based coolant before, which was not eco-friendly to the environment, and also was killing our machines here at Cadrex. Tool life and machinability is kind of our number one concern, but also our employees. Basically, safety being our number one core value at Cadrex here, we definitely wanted to be more friendly to our environment and also to our employees.
My name is Chris Ledger, Sales Engineer for Northeast for FUCHS Lubricants. I've known Mike DeMonte for a little over 5 years, and he was looking for some solutions for me to provide him in terms of his coolant, hydraulic oils, Wayloop oils.
We were kind of buying a lot of different lubricants from a lot of different companies that were, not cost effective and also not, machine friendly and environmental friendly.
We're not just providing a service, we're invested in helping our partners bring innovation to life quickly and efficiently so they can stay ahead of their competition.
So we provided some solutions, one of them being the EcoCool 7830. We were able to get him a couple drums to try. He tried a couple different machines, and it ended up working out very well.
So over the course of the past year, I've been changing every solvent, every coolant and lubricant that we have in this building to the FUCHS products. Our Wayloop, our hydraulic fluids, our spindle oils, our gear oils, our coolant, our Swiss lube. Everything now is FUCHS.
All lubrication products have been switched over to FUCHS with no downtime and reliable results in our machining processes. Using FUCHS high-quality coolant allows us to be confident in the consistent performance and the span of our machines, enabling to deliver faster, more reliable results to our customers.
So we've been able to work with Chris and Tim and his team to kind of come up with a format so we can save a lot of money by using all of FUCHS products.
Right now we're really being a one-stop shop for Cadrex Manufacturing Solutions in Agawam, Massachusetts.
Products that we are machining here in Agawam for our other facilities are being machined with FUCHS coolants, again allowing us consistent performance and reliable results.
It's been a fantastic relationship working with Tim and Chris all together. They bring a lot of knowledge to their product. They also are there when I need them. If I need something shipped very rapidly, they always get the order out for me. And it's just been altogether a great relationship with both of them.